Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this black and white blended effect in Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to create content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I already created a new project. First we have to create the frame. So we need a rectangle. Adjusting the size, keep it in the center, just bits wider, center, and I need it in a black. Then I need a circle, something like this, might be a bit bigger, position, middle, center. Again, black, going to the stroke side, just a normal line, and the stroke weight is somewhere around 20, 25, and change the stroke color to white. Then we need to add the text. So going to the text, add heading, and we need to find a font. Search for this Laris, and in this Laris script, and typing again. Like Hawaii. Increasing the size. No, we don't increase the size. First, we need to change the color to black. Change the color to black. Why you don't want to change the color to black? Ah, it's done. Okay, sorry. My bad. Was selected and I didn't see it. Okay, and go into the effects, outline, change the color to white, and increase the thickness to 120, 25, like this, increasing the size a bit, and moving to the center, like this. Yeah, I like it. Now we need to save it. So download it. I just download this image. And just added a new page. Go into the elements, adding the same image again, like to here. This one also has to be downloaded, but now we have to be careful to download only a page number 2. I love to create this one by one because this is for me this is the safest. I said I added this, then I adding the other one, yeah, like this. Also adding a new page, going down to the apps and looking for blend image, yes, so not the image blender, so the blend image. And bottom layer we need to select this one, and the top layer is this one. And as you can see, I used a blend mode screen, and the reason why I suggested to select this image on the top, because we have an additional function, adjust top layer. So here I can scale it. I can also move it in horizontal and also vertical. But this function only works for the bottom layer, sorry, top layer. We also can rotating it. And now moving to the next page and the last page, and I can edit like this. And here is the final outcome. And actually, here you can see I made this black and white. So the think how we can do it like this. I go just scrolling up, going to the uploads, looking for the image what I created, the download, the same size like this, and now going to the edit, and we can go to the filters, scrolling down to the bottom for the mono, and choose what we want. I'm going to the positions, layers, I'm moving up a bit, this one, and within the page. And when I'm removing the background, I already have this no, it's work, sorry. Now it's working. Time to time when I click the preview, the layers are not working properly together, but now as you can see, we have it properly. And even if we want, we can add also a like slight stroke around of the next to this vertical parts, but for me it was not necessary. And this is how we can create this black and white blended effect very easily. But now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section, sorry. First of all, to feed the algorithm, so let me reach more and more people with my tutorials. And also, if you have any questions, struggling in a Canva, just let me know in the comment section and I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description of this video where you can find links for my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, listed in a Facebook page. And of course, in a TikTok and Instagram pages, you can find a short form of Canva tutorials. As I already mentioned, you can find the links in the description. But now, this tutorial really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.